Every guy has wondered this. Why do some men attract girls effortlessly while others try way too hard and still fail? The answer is pure psychology. And once you understand these 5 triggers, girls notice you, remember you, and chase you without you doing anything obvious. The calmest man stands out. No rushing, no fidgeting, no over-smiling. Girls feel your energy before your words. Calm equals control, and control equals attraction. Hold eye contact for 1 second longer than normal, then look away with a slight smile. It's subtle, but it screams confidence. She feels it instantly. Don't give attention 24/7. Give it in small, intentional doses. When your attention feels earned and not feels free, she values it more than any compliment you could give. Here's where most guys fail. They are too available. You, on the other hand, don't react too quickly. Don't say yes to everything, and don't act impressed by basic things. Not rude, not distant, just a man with standards. Girls chase men who are not instantly won. This is the real game changer. Instead of you trying to prove yourself, you make her invest in the interaction. How? When she asks questions, laughs, or stays around longer, you simply acknowledge it calmly. Interesting. You're putting effort into this. It makes her realize she's doing the chasing, and once someone starts investing, they get more attached. Here's the truth. Attraction isn't about trying harder. It's about being the man who doesn't need to try. Calm, confident, selective, and worth the effort. That's the guy girls chase, and once they feel that energy, they don't forget it. If you want to know one thing that instantly make women lose interest in you, click on this video. I'll see you here.